What's up, guys? It's Double Nicks, and welcome to another review of an IPO for ARM Holdings Limited, which will be trading under ticker symbol ARM, Alpha Romeo Mike, on the NASDAQ exchange, and will be IPOing on September 14th of 2023. Before we begin, I want to remind you that if you want access to our private Discord, so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link to join is in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. For example, this week we called out BIOC, which went up 118%. We called AREB, which went up 120%, and SASI, which went up 140%. So I just gotta say, we're just made different. Just made different. The early bird gets the cash. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material, maybe more, on how we find and trade stocks, how we use candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, and how to use critical indicators, and much, much more, guys. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working best for us. Now, let's get right into this. So ARM actually intends on defining the future of computing. They architect, develop, and license these high-performance, low-cost, energy-efficient CPU products and related technology on which many of the world's leading semiconductor companies and OEMs rely to develop their products. And their energy-efficient CPUs have enabled advanced computing in greater than 99% of the world's smartphones, and for the year ending in December 31st of 2022, and more than 250 billion chips, cumulatively powering everything from the tiniest of sensors to the most powerful supercomputers. That's a lot. That's a very wide range. Now, today, ARM CPUs run the vast majority of the world's software, including the operating systems and applications for smartphones, tablets, and personal computers, as well as data centers and networking equipment, and vehicles, as well as the embedded operating systems in devices such as smartwatches, thermostats, drones, and industrial robotics. They also estimate that approximately 70% of the world's population uses ARM-based products, and the scale of ARM's research continues to expand, with more than 30 billion ARM-based chips reported as shipped in the fiscal year ended March 31st of 2023 alone, representing an approximate 70% increase since the fiscal year ended in March 31st of 2016. The company was founded in the UK in 1990 and operates in the semiconductors industry with 5,963 employees. So let's turn our attention to the IPO details. ARM is offering 95.5 million shares in its initial public offering, and the IPO stock price range has been set between $47 and $51 per share. And with these numbers, I can actually deduce the deal size is estimated to be around $4.68 billion with a B dollars, and investors will have the opportunity to participate in the growth and potential of ARM as it expands its operations and continues to innovate in the semiconductors industry. Now, please note, ladies and gentlemen, we are not stock professionals, we are not stock advisors, nor are we financial planners or anything like that. This is just a show. Hey! Always do your own due diligence before purchasing anything at all in the stock market whatsoever. I personally might not pre-buy the stock, however, I'll be watching the price action on it closely. It's not a Chinese IPO, which tends to be the flavor of the day in the IPO world, not to mention that its price per share is extremely expensive for an IPO. I mean, that's between $47 and $51 per share for an IPO, for a stock that hasn't become public yet, or is just becoming public. Excuse me. So I'm not going to be doing it. I'm not going to be pre-buying this at all. This is not stock advice. You do you. You do your own due diligence. And that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And as always, it's Double Nicks. I love you guys. I love you. And I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye.